Okay, I'm thinking about replacing that with tiles. I bought a scale and I normally park it right next to this molding, and look, the paint is being scraped off. So I figured if I replace it with tiles, that's not gonna happen. So I'm gonna start taking this off, pulling this off, ripping it off, however I can do it, and then mortar some tiles on it to replace it. Alright, to begin with, my homemade kneeling pad, and I'm going to start using this I guess crowbar and my handy hammer to get rid of this. Kind of sticky because of the paint, but we'll get it out. Okay, I finally pulled that section. We don't like turning on the air conditioner unless it's over 100 degrees outside. And right now it's only in the 90s. But in a confined space like this, and you're doing something, it could be warm or toasty. It's a good thing the floors are tiled, or it could be a lot toastier. So I think that's good. Now I can go outside and prepare the mortar so that I can just stick this the new tiles on the wall. Come on, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Yeah, you stubborn paint you. Can't complain, I was the one who painted that. It's not too watery, it's not too thick. I think it's just right. So here we go. Instead of mortaring the wall, I'm going to mortar the tiles. Okay. The tiles I will mortar. Like so. The top I'm not gonna mortar because when I push it in, it's gonna press up anyway. Well, I finally finished it. There it is. I went in and re-grouted it to some parts of it While I was down on the floor, I could see some gaps between the tiles and the floor, so I went down there and regrouted it. I had a hard time with that corner right there, but it's done. Let me show you how much sweat and tears was expended for this project. That's me. That's all the sweat and the tears. And here's yours truly. Okay. This is where I did all the cutting with a little Dremel tool right there. I had to order some diamond tip blade. I don't know if it's there. It's diamond, that's what they called it. There you go. Diamond cutting wheels for Dremel. And the brand is Genoco, just in case you're interested. This is Dremel tool, the cutting blades, and this is brand Genoco.